Amen. I would say this is the house of the Lion of the tribe of Judah. So,
all right.
Yeah. Somewhere last year, Sana, me bahanomono, na me yaripa, me night, na me use crutches, and by my doctors, the only way I made me 90 was to walk in orthopedic shoes. So I've been using that like almost 6 months. Then I heard of Papa on Facebook. One day I was just surfing around, and he came across. I'm like, this man, should I contact him? And something kept telling me no. But when I finally did, I told him what was going on with me. He just gave me some ointment. He said, do not massage, but just rub it on that leg that is hurting. The first day, the swelling started coming down. I didn't use my crutches anymore. On the third day, I took off that orthopedic shoes and I started wearing heels. So I said, no, I have to come and see who this man is. This is amazing. It doesn't happen everywhere. He's one of a kind. He's a very humble man, trustworthy. And you know what? When I asked him what the cost of the treatment was, he said, take it, my daughter, and God bless you. I've never seen that. It doesn't happen. And just in the process of that, somewhere 3 months later, I had an issue at work. And it was very serious. I was at the point of being terminated. So I called him and he said, no, you go. I started sweating. It was in the winter. It was like 7 degrees, but I was sweating. I didn't want to go. And I said, no, I just want this man to tell me like they will not call you. So I called him again. I said, Papa, he said I should come. He said, you go. And I said, no, this is not what I want to hear from this man. Then he called me and said, have you gone? I said, okay, let me go. When I got there, I was ignited with some sense of boldness, energy, and very fluent. I was ready to face the panel. And as I sat down, the administrator said, oh no, I want you to be the manager of the medical surgical unit. And I said, no, I was in trouble, that's why I'm here. I was called to come and answer to you. She said, no, anybody who doesn't want to see you, they can leave. But you remain here and you have to be the manager of this floor. I called Papa and said, Papa, did the woman know why I went there? Because she did not even discuss the issue. But she said she wants me to be the manager. And that wasn't why I went there.